Hi, this is Austin from Gamma Plus Stylecraft, and today I'm here to talk to you about two of our most exciting launches ever, the SC Pro Superset and the SC Pro Studio Shop Blower. Let's start with the Superset. So this is the SC Pro Superset. We basically took two of our most high performance, most popular machines, put them together in an amazing kit at a great price. So yes, we have some expensive tools that are going to be the most cutting edge technology, innovation, you name it. And then we also have some more affordable tools that are still the best tools on the market, more or less, just not the most cutting edge technologies, but incredible tools that's going to be better than anything else out there. So the Superset is our Rebel clipper and our Flex trimmer. They are packed together in this awesome, convenient storage travel case. When you open the case as well, they come in this really nice foam insert. So they're packed really securely in there. This is a custom foam insert made specifically to fit these machines. Then over here, you've got all your accessories. So in the accessory pouch, you have your charging cord that works for both machines. You've got your wall adapter. You've got your trimmer guards for the Flex trimmer, and then you also have your tight guards, our most popular guard set right now, included inside the box. So for under $300, you're gonna get the top selling Rebel clipper, which is nearly a $200 machine, and the top selling Flex trimmer, which is around $150 machine, together for under $300 with the case and all the accessories as well. So what makes the Rebel clipper one of our best-selling machines? Super torque motors. This is going to be as powerful as any other clipper in the world. You have our gold SC Pro Vapor blade. That is the other thing you will notice. This SC Pro Superset does come in limited edition black and gold colors of the Flex and the Rebel. Back to the gold and black Rebel clipper. Gold Vapor blade, super torque motor. Again, you have those tight guards. It does also have the USB-C charging capabilities. Not going to go too crazy on the Rebel clipper today. If you'd like to learn more about the Rebel clipper, please check Meet the SC Rebel clipper video, which you can definitely find already on our channel. Moving on to the Flex trimmer. This is a super torque motor again. This is going to cut through anything out there. This is really an underrated machine. So the people that have used this know, if you know, you know, this thing cuts. It cuts really, really well. It does have our SC Pro X Pro blade on it in gold, which is usually the gold's a little bit sharper for some people than the DLC, but it does have the DLC, the one cutter on it as well. And just an amazing, amazing performing machine. Also USB-C rechargeable as well. This video also exists on the SC Pro Flex trimmer. So if you look for the Meet the Flex trimmer video, you can learn a lot more details of this. But basically we wanted to take two of our top sellers of all time, top performers, put them together in a really, really beautiful, affordable kit for people that needed both a clipper and a trimmer and looking for something that has them both. It's also an incredible, incredible premium student kit. So if you're a student barber or you're just learning, to get something of this quality and this performance for this price, it's not like this is your starter kit and you need to upgrade to something else. This is a kit you can use for the rest of your career, because these are two of our top performance machines and top quality machines, and two of the most top performant machines in the world. Now this is a cool one. This is our SC Pro Studio Shop Blower. So this is a really, 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 really powerful blower for cleaning your station, for cleaning your shop, for cleaning your electronics. I mean, it's a very versatile machine. Here's how it comes packed. So right in here, you have the Studio blower. It is corded, so this is a corded machine, and that's what keeps it at the affordable price that we have it at, because this is well under $100. So really affordable, but really powerful. This is going to be way more powerful than any cordless blower that you see for cleaning your stations and your tools. Great for cleaning your tools, even great for cleaning our clients. So The way it works has this really nice toggle switch. So you just hold it down. It's gonna blow crazy airflow, probably 10 times more than any blow dryer. I mean, just unbelievable power. If I was gonna be cleaning off a client, I would just kind of tap toggle it. So I wouldn't hold it down because it is really powerful, and just kind of toggle it. Here's all the attachments it comes with. It does have a removable filter in the bottom, really easy to remove and clean. We did even include a replacement filter inside as well. It does have the 3 different attachments. So you have the nozzle here, the long nozzle, the short nozzle, the fan nozzle, and then the nozzle with the brush as well. Most people tend to use one of these 2 for the shop. These are my 2 favorites. Again, just slap them on, clean off your whole station. What I know one of our barber shops does is they have one person on one side of the shop with one on the other, and they just blow all the hair across the floor. It clears out the shop in like 30 seconds and blows all the hair away. So really cool machine, the SC Studio Blower. So world, meet the SC Studio Blower and SC Pro Superset Kit. SC Pro Studio Blower and Superset Kit, meet the world.